Welcome to the instructions video for the Soil Classification USCS Interactive Calculator. This tool helps engineers and geotechnical professionals classify soils according to the Unified Soil Classification System, which is the standard method used in civil engineering projects worldwide. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key soil properties. Start by inputting the percent of soil passing the number 4 sieve and the number 200 sieve, which separates coarse-grained from fine-grained soils. Next, enter the coefficient of uniformity and coefficient of curvature if you're classifying coarse-grained soils. For fine-grained soils, you'll need the liquid limit and plasticity index from Atterberg limit tests. For our example, let's enter typical values for a clayey soil. The calculator will process these inputs and determine the USCS classification symbol, such as CL for lean clay or SM for silty sand, along with a description of the soil's engineering properties and typical behavior. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.